Spiders are always welcome to stay outside. For the ones who missed the memo, I bought these. This is a pack of 10 indoor glue traps designed for spiders and any other crawling insects like ants, cockroaches, or crickets. Here's one of the traps right out of the package. You can see it comes completely flat, and the directions are printed directly on the back, so you don't have to keep track of a separate instruction sheet. The diagrams show each step and how the finished trap should look when you're done. To get started, you simply turn it over and peel away the paper covering the sticky glue. The adhesive covers most of the inside area. You can actually leave the trap completely flat like this, which gives you a larger open catching surface. I'm going to fold mine into the covered tent shape that's shown on the back in the directions. So you will notice that there are pre-scored fold lines that make it much easier to assemble. So here I'm just going to find each pre-scored fold and fold the trap inwards. I will say it's super important to make sure that the glue pieces don't touch, because if they do, they are seriously the stickiest. And so then once you're done with all of the folds and everything has been creased, you bring the two ends together and secure the tabs in place. And here is the finished trap with everything folded and finished. So the sticky surface is now concealed inside, so anything caught on it is definitely less visible than it would be when the trap is used flat. With 10 traps in the package, you can place them in several areas around your home, along baseboards and corners, underneath furniture, or anywhere else you've seen unwanted crawlers.